Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to cover a simple but essential formatting skill: how to add footnotes in Google Docs. Google recently updated their menu layout, so if you have been having trouble finding the footnote option, this video will show you exactly where it moved. Let's dive right in. First, open your document and click to place your cursor exactly where you want the footnote number to appear. This is usually at the end of a sentence or immediately following a specific word. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. In the past, the footnote option was located right here in the main dropdown. Now you need to scroll down and hover your mouse over page elements. Once that side menu opens, you will see the footnote option. Click on it. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can skip the menus entirely. Just press Ctrl, Alt, and F on Windows or Command, Option, and F on a Mac. Immediately, you will notice a small superscript number added next to your text, and your cursor will automatically jump down to the bottom of the page. Here, you can type in your citation, reference, or description. You can highlight this text to increase or decrease the font size, just like you would with any other text in your document. Google Docs automatically numbers your footnotes sequentially, so if you go back and add another footnote earlier in the text, all of your numbers will automatically update to stay in order. And that is it. A quick and easy way to properly cite your sources. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, step-by-step guides. Thank you for watching.